Every truck manufacturer right now are all competing to have the coolest, the best, and the most innovative tailgate, and GMC is no exception to that. So let's run through some of the features that this GMC has compared to a normal tailgate that you would have seen 4 or 5 years ago. So to start, you have a backup light right here to help see at night, backup camera, pretty normal stuff, but we have 2 buttons here. So let's go and press the bottom button. That's going to automatically drop the tailgate as it normally would. Let's put it back up. Press the top button. Then you can drop down just the top half. And now you can have wood or anything else, that a longer object, come out this way, and then you can rest it against the side of the bed, and so it's not going to slide off the edge. Now you can also put up this step here that will also help assist with keeping your cargo in place. Just make it one more option if you have a strange thing that you're trying to haul around. Let's close it. Now let's press both of these at the same time. And it's going to go ahead and drop down. This will allow you to get closer to your cargo. This has been especially helpful for me when I'm loading coolers in the back and you don't want to extend your back. It makes it really easy to get heavy things in and out of your bed. And then the last feature that this also has, just like every other manufacturer, it's got a step. So that way you can walk straight into the bed of the truck. No issue. Ford has like a handle and then a different kind of drop down. This one's pretty easy. I owned an F-150 with the other step system as well. I prefer this one over the Ford. It's much more stable, has a wider platform, and it just doesn't move as much when you're stepping on it. So from here, to close it up, these are all the new features of the GMC tailgate. This one is called the MultiPro tailgate. The Chevy version is called the MultiFlex tailgate. They are the same thing, just different logo on the back. They all function the same way. You can also just get the regular tailgate from GMC or Chevy. This is just an option that you can add on. It does increase the price. It's definitely not a free option, but it is an option. I find it extremely useful and I'm glad I have it. But that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.